Hello traders, this is Umar with you and hope you are all doing good. So excellent trading session. So for the last 3 trading session, VIX has been drastically coming down, and today also VIX has been down by 2%. That alone is the best thing for option seller. Last month was highly volatile, but this month market is supporting, giving hands to the option seller. We are making money, right? So this is the main reason is just because of VIX. From last 3 days, India VIX has crashed more than 8% or even 9%. So what is happening in the market? Many things are happening in spite of weak global cues. If you see in the morning and yesterday also, there were Dow Jones was really in the red. It was down by 300 points, but today morning US futures started trading in the green, and eventually we also started gapped up slightly. I think we opened flat and we were able to close above 17,800, right? We are just 50 or 60 points away from all-time high. Now previous all-time high was around 17,950 or 60. We are somewhere around 17,830 or 40 levels today. Today's closing basis I am saying. So there is no need to short the market. I've been telling this for the last 2 or 3 trading session. In fact, for last 1 week we have been telling there is no need to close the short the market, and you see what is happening. And if someone who had done a short straddle, strangle, iron fly would have made good money now, right? Because you know what is happening, right? So it's a good time to go long in the market. Don't short in the market. As of now, as I talk to you, US futures are all in the green, European are all in the green, and Asian markets are all in the green, close in the green, right? In spite of there is a bad news in Asia, there is a second company, a company called Fantasia Real Estate, which is also into real estate, like Evergrande. This is the second company which has defaulted. So first Evergrande defaulted, now Fantasia is defaulting its payment of around 320 million yuan, Chinese yuan. So will this cause a panic in the market? Will this reality reality sector issue which is going in China will create in the market? I really don't know. I don't think market is caring about this, and the way the markets are trading and the way the US futures are trading, I think we are going to go on the upside only, right? Even if it goes downside, or if it goes on the opposite direction, what we will do? We will try to manage. That's what we are doing. That's the best thing we can do, right? So let us see what's going to happen in the market. And if you see the FII data, we have been getting good support from FIIs. For the last 1 week or so, you know that FIIs have been net sellers. They have sold more than 5,000 or 6,000 crores. Since yesterday, they have started buying. And yesterday, both FIIs and DIIs have been net buyers. So FIIs have bought for around 860 crores and DIIs have bought for around 200 to 28 crores. And if you see the event, there's a lots of event coming up. Second quarterly results are due next week, and TCS is coming up with their results on 8th, I think. And if you see what's happening in the TCS has been rallying for the last 1 week. And if you see the Tata Power is also rallying highly. That's a good amount of put rating both in TCS and Tata Power. So that's what this system told me. Even though we don't trade much, we don't trade at all in stock options, because you know what will happen. There are ways to manipulate the stock. Insider trading is there, so we don't want to risk our trades. So it's better to stay with Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this alone, Nifty and Bank Nifty alone, can make you more money and good money. Let me know what you think. If you are a trader, stock option trader, or if you have gone through some terrible things in the stock options, let me know what you think, right? So for us now, what we do, 90% of our trade is in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So that is how we trade, and that's how we have made good money. We don't care about this stock options. And let me tell you something, stock option is also very expensive to make adjustment. In case anything goes wrong, you will find it very hard to make adjustment in stock option. That is why we don't go for stock options, right? So let us see what's happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Long build up, it's expected. So what you expect if the Nifty is shooting and Bank Nifty is shooting? So this is only is going to happen, right? So long build up happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and if you see the futures are trading at a good premium of around 14, and even Bank Nifty also is having the same thing. Call rating is happening, aggressive call rating at 18,000, and aggressive put rating is happening at 17,500, 17,600, 17,700. 17,700 put rating is there. So people are very confident that the markets are going to go on the upside, right? So most of the market participants are believing the markets are going to go on the upside, and we are also bullish. We stand by that, and we are having long positions both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let us see how to trade this one, and let me know what you think how to trade directional trades. So if you are bullish or if you are bearish, what do you trade? Do you sell naked call options if you are bearish, or if you are bullish, do you sell naked put options? So how do you handle a directional market? See, if you are a non-directional trader, you might be taking a straddle, you might be taking a strangle, or any other strategy. Let's say you are bearish, or let's say you are bullish. What strategy you take to make money? Because you may know that straddles, or any iron fly strategies don't work on a trending market. Trending market, how do you manage trending market? Or if you have been following us, I have told that for the last 1 year Nifty has moved more than 23%. How have you managed all this day? Year to date I am talking about, last August till this August. So year to date, what strategies you have been using? How much you made money? Let me know in the comment section below, right? So these are the things I thought I should share with you. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And again, I am telling, markets are likely to go on the upside only. Don't ever short the market. Whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, put writing is happening both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And of course, there is a quarterly result season is coming from maybe this week, even this week. So TCS, Infi, all big companies are coming out with results. So we'll have to wait, and we'll have to see how the earnings season is going to span out, right? And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.